As I settled into my seat on the plane, I noticed the tires folding up into their compartments, exposing a stunning view of the Nairobi skyline. This filled me with amazed curiosity as the plane took off, soaring higher and higher into the clouds. Before I continue, please subscribe to this channel for more educative and inspiring stories. There are many airlines that operate on the Nairobi-Kisumu route.
Sorry, that was the last flight past by Phoenix Aviation. This is clean and fast.
Among them are the national carrier Kenya Airways and its subsidiary Jambo Jet. Others are Fly 540, Renegade Air, and Safari Link, among others. On this day, I had taken a late afternoon flight and the airline was Renegade. Renegade Airline is a relatively new player in the Kenyan aviation industry, having been founded around the year 2012. When it was founded, its primary service was chartered flights and flights to Wajir County. The airline has quickly become known for its affordable fares and quality customer service, attracting a loyal following among budget-conscious travelers. The airline operates from Wilson Airport in Nairobi.
Let's see.
Wilson Airport was named after Sir William Wilson, a British settler who established Kenya's first airstrip in Nairobi in 1929. The airport has since grown to become a hub for local aviation in Kenya, serving both commercial and private flights. Late afternoon flight to Kisumu is always a breathtaking experience. Flying above the clouds is a fantastic experience. Looking out of the window, I saw nothing but endless blue skies and fluffy white clouds. I even experienced a brief moment of turbulence as the plane dipped into a thick cloud bank. As the plane approached Kisumu, my attention was drawn to the attractive green landscapes below. The view of the farms in the Rift Valley was particularly striking, with rows upon rows of crops stretching as far as the eye could see. Kisumu International Airport dates back to the colonial era when it was used as a military base for the British Army. It emerged out of the Second World War and was set up strategically to support the amphibian type of aircraft landing in the nearby Lake Victoria. Over time, the airport has expanded to become a major hub for Western Kenya, serving both local and international flights. As the plane made its descent towards Kisumu International Airport, I could see the city and the lake coming into view. The lake's water sparkled in the sunlight. As the plane landed, I could feel a rush of excitement and anticipation. I was finally in Kisumu, eager to see friends and family. My name is Bonventure Mwayuli, and this is Moving Pictures Kenya, connecting people, inspiring Africa.
It was an awesome flight. Yeah, I enjoyed it. Yeah, less turbulence. I didn't experience any turbulence, so that's what I fear most. We are at the Kisumu International Airport. Kisumu International Airport serves the western counties of Kenya.